I'm going to discuss how you can get a SIM card in Canada as a newcomer. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And this is just based on my experience. If you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, the process remains the same. Like for anything that you need to provide some identification, right? So when you land in Canada, okay, if you want to get a physical SIM card, because nowadays a lot of companies offer eSIM card as well. So for that you can go to their retail stores and also you can do online. But for general thing like to get a SIM card at a retail store, what you need, I'm going to discuss. So when you land, let's say at Pearson, so at Pearson itself, you will see some major mobile companies like Rogers have set up their kiosks just outside arrival. So you can get a SIM card there itself, or else wherever you go, there are so many stores where you can go and get because not every provider has their store. So second question comes, what documents you need? So when I had come back in 2012 or 2015, I had like, I was not a permanent resident. I was a work permit holder, right? So I had just gone with my passport and work permit, and they had seen that, and they took some information out of it. They did not ask me to submit a copy of it, and they had asked me an address that I had provided, and that's it. They were able to share the SIM card with me, and it worked. So some of you may have a question that does this still apply? Like, let's say you come to Canada as a tourist, okay? So definitely you will not have your study permit, work permit. You may just have your passport and a tourist visa stamped, right? Sometimes not even that if you are coming from a non-visa required country. So for that, what I'm gonna do, let me share this with you guys. See, this is just an example. I'm showing Roger's site. Of course, you can uh, check the any provider you want to buy SIM from, their website for requirements. See, like newcomer plans, I am seeing like 5G mobile 75. And you know, must provide permanent resident card, work permit, study permit, or valid passport from other country. Okay, so this is very important. So that means just with a valid passport also you can get it. Of course, like if you have any doubt, you can always contact their customer care service before arrival so that you don't get any last minute shock. So that is how things work, guys. And I hope you're gonna like this video. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.